Hi, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you to the Silver Temple. It's about a 10-minute walk from my hostel, and it is a temple that should definitely be on your list of temples to see here in Chiang Mai. You can look at the beautiful artistry in the metal and just appreciate the beauty and the culture. When you arrive, make sure you are covered up with t-shirts and long pants or long skirts. Walking in, they did have some to provide you, so that's great. When visiting temples and shrines, you want to ensure that you're being respectful to the people, to the culture, even though you may not follow that religion or believe the same things. It is important to be respectful. Let me show you around. The Art of Chasing Metal Sheet of Wat Myon Son Community. Tung Lai, or chasing metal sheet, is one of Lana crafts that requires elaboration in each working step to create a fabulous item in Lana style. Previously, they chased mainly on silver plate. Anyhow, when silver becomes more costly, craftsman starts chasing on the other metal instead. Nevertheless, it does not make much difference on the finished work and can create new style with more varieties. In Lana language, Tung Lai means chasing or engraving the pattern on the metal. It is called Bu Dun, metal beading in standard Thai language. This technique is applied to create dimensions on the pattern. The unique identity of Lana silverware is the two-sided carving method. It is chased or embossed from inside to create a structural relief on the outside surface before hammering or engraving the surface to make more subtle details. Pattern style can be flat style or lai bao, bas relief style or nun tam, and high relief style or nun sung. Flat style is applied on the work to create flat pattern without dimension. On the contrary, bas relief style is the pattern created by chasing from inside to make an embossed pattern appear on the exterior, while high relief style is very complicated. The craftsman has to stay focused, calm, and very patient. Alright, thank you for joining me and visiting the temple. It's starting to rain and I actually left my poncho at the hostel. Why would I do that? I was really hoping it wasn't going to rain, but here we are, it's raining. I appreciate you joining me on this adventure and I'll see you on my next one. Adios.